Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I just wanted to record a little video to give you kind of an update and check in with you. First, you'll notice no beard. I did shave it. I couldn't take it anymore. It was quite itchy and gray. Made me look really old. But might grow it back. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well. Today is March 30th, by the way. I'm recording this. I'm actually recording. I sit in my camper to do this. It's the only quiet spot I can have, so that's why it looks, what it does behind me. I just want to kind of give you an update on what we're going to be doing here. I hope everybody's doing fine. I hope everybody is healthy and your families are doing well and no problems. If you do, reach out to us. We'll try to get you some help of anything, and we'll try to be there for you. What I'm going to try to do here, and this video is going to go to both geometry and advanced math, but in general, I'm going to every couple days add assignments and work to the Google Classroom. Okay, I think we'll go through that as the best way. We're going to learn as we go. I've been playing around with it here, trying to learn what's the best way. I know some of us have run into some problems like submitting assignments and things like that. So we'll work through that. Just keep asking questions. Don't get frustrated, and I'll try to help you through it. But we'll continue to try to work through the Google Classroom. Geometry, probably what I've sent to you now. I'd like you to get it all done this week. There's quite a bit there that can be done. Maybe by the end of the week, I'll add something new. I'll probably, in a couple days, add some comments and things like that, but the assignment you have. And I do want to, I want you to submit them from now on, and I want to look at them. One, I can give you some feedback and see where they're at. That's kind of what the grades are going to be. The grades that are attached at this time aren't really grades for the marking period. They're just there so I can give you some feedback on what you're doing. Okay, so don't get too hung up on that. But I really do want you guys to be working on these things. A couple reasons. One, you need to be working on a few things school-wise so you don't fall too far behind. All right, there's some concepts, especially advanced math. We need to cover some stuff here so you're ready for calculus, and I want to make sure that I do that. Geometry, the same thing. There's concepts left this year that we need for future math classes. All right, and so we want to make sure that we kind of cover them. What else is? You move on in your schooling. Someday you may have to take an online class. They all work differently, but this is one kind of model right now, and they all require that you do a lot of things on your own and be responsible for your learning. So it's good practice as you're going forward here on how to do that. All right, so and these are difficult times right now. We all got to kind of do our part and try to do the best that we can, but I'm here to help you. So one thing I wanted to let you know, and part of the reason I did the video too, you need to send me emails. Some of you do. You're doing a great job. If you're having questions, you don't understand something, I'll respond to them by writing some things out. I may make a short video. I did that already, a little screencast of it, and sent that to the student. So whatever I need to kind of get the information to you, we can work other ways. There's a lot of different things, but we'll try those methods first. I will definitely be available during the day, up until about 3 o'clock. I'll be attached to my computer for the most part, or not far from it. And I'll get right back to you when you give me an email about something. I won't necessarily grade everything immediately that you're submitting. I'm going to start doing some of that grading tomorrow, I think. But if you have a question, you're not sure how to do something, I'll get back to you immediately, up until about 3 o'clock. And to be honest, as we all are, we're stuck in the house, not much going on. If it's later in the night, I'm up later, I'm up early. I get your email if I'm not doing anything like watching a movie or playing games with my family. I'll probably answer you pretty quickly anyway. But I just wanted to let you know that definitely up till 3, I will get back to you ASAP. All right. The other thing in advanced math, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know, because I have given you quite a bit of stuff and new material. It's all kind of new things too. You don't have to get it all done that day. Like I just put something up today. I don't expect that's all done today. Manage your time. You guys in advanced math honors, you have, AP classes, other stuff. Try to schedule your time there and work accordingly. I haven't put due dates on things at this time, just so that it allows you to kind of structure yourself what works best in your schedule. Okay, so please don't get overwhelmed by that. So that's the main reason I wanted to just reach out to you guys and let you know. I'm looking at my notes here to make sure I covered everything and went over everything. Basic thing is here, I'm here to help you out. We're going to get through this. We're going to try to learn some material and do the best we can here. All right, so I appreciate everybody. I hope everybody's doing well, and this, for me too, it gives me something to do during the day. All right, so go ahead and send me some emails if you have questions. I'll gladly answer them. All right, take care, everybody. Be safe.